Hello everyone and welcome back to another Midjourney tutorial. In this video, I will show you that how you can create YouTube thumbnails in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So let's suppose you have created a cinematic movie or a cinematic documentary about something. So you want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So let's suppose what I want to create is a person which is standing in front of a mountain in a cinematic way. And on the top, I can add the text over it. So first thing I will do is slash imagine. And here I will type in a person staring on the mountain, full body, cinematic, dark. And now what you will have to do is just give a space, then press dash dash and type in AR, and then here give a space and then type the aspect ratio you want. For the YouTube thumbnail, the aspect ratio is 16:9. So you must have to type this in order to get the right aspect ratio. And after that, just click the enter key and your thumbnail will be generated. And here you can see I have got 4 thumbnails and I can choose whatever I want. And after exporting that from Midjourney, I can just import that on Photoshop and type whatever text I want to be on top of this. And then my YouTube thumbnail will be generated gratefully. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.